The Synthesis and Solid-State Pharmaceutical Centre, also known as SSPC, is a global hub of pharmaceutical process innovation and advanced manufacturing. Launched in July 2013, the SSPC research programme leads the way for next-generation drug manufacture. SSPC is a world-leading Science Foundation Ireland research centre. As one of the largest in Ireland, this brings unparalleled industry engagement. The main aims of SSPC include developing more environmentally sustainable methods for drug manufacture, increasing the range of medicines available to the public, and reducing drug manufacturing costs. To date, SSPC has received over €80 million of investment to further research into next-generation drug manufacture. SSPC research program spans the entire pharmaceutical production chain, from synthesis of the molecule to the isolation of the material to the formulation of the medicine. SSPC partners have access to state-of-the-art facilities and equipment in each of the research-performing organizations. In total, SSPC supports over 300 active members across academia and industry on a national and international basis. The centre has a unique collaboration of over 20 industrial partners. SSPC also has a long list of academic partners and international collaborators. The centre is also heavily involved in education, training and outreach activities. These combined efforts are showing positive results and helping to grow the Irish pharmaceutical industry. What's next? Farm 5? We're open for business and going global. To find out more about how SSPC can work with you, your organisation or university, visit www.sspc.ie.